This summer's transfer deadline day really felt like a most Mo day ever. What the hell was that? First of all, Tottenham signed Kolo Muani, Jadon Sancho followed Rashford top and went on loan to Aston Villa. Manchester United signed a new goalkeeper, one even Ruben Amorim had never heard of, but he surely can't be worse than Onana. Nicolas Jackson went on a transfer rollercoaster between Chelsea and Bayern, and finally moved to Bayern. Manchester City finally signed Donnarumma, while Ederson and Gundogan both left the club. Liverpool signed Isak, then Wehi, but the Wehi deal collapsed at the last minute, and finally Antony officially returned to Betis.
Deadline day delivered drama across the Premier League, but Chelsea once again stole the show. The Blues have set a new Premier League transfer record, recouping a staggering £354 million from player sales this summer. That's the highest figure ever recorded by an English club. And while Enzo Maresca has been backed with statement signings like João Pedro, Jamie Gittins, and Estevao Willian, the big question now is, have Chelsea built a squad ready to compete, or have they taken a massive gamble? Chelsea's selling power this summer has been nothing short of extraordinary. Nicholas Jackson £70 million via future obligation in his loan deal. Noni Madueke £52 million to Arsenal. João Felix £43 million to Al Nassr. And Christopher Nkunku £36 million to AC Milan. And that's just the start in total. Chelsea have shattered the Premier League's all-time sales record with £354 million haul. But this wasn't summer of selling only. Chelsea spent big too, £340 million. In fact, João Pedro became their most expensive signing at £55 million plus £5 million add-ons. Jimmy Gittins followed closely at £55 million in total. Then Estevao Willian, the teenage wonder kid from Palmeiras, cost £29 million upfront, with the deal potentially reaching £51 million. Considering Chelsea had just 13-day preseason due to their FIFA Club World Cup involvement, their positive start is impressive even if they are not yet in full flow. On pitch, Chelsea head into the first international break, sitting second in the Premier League table behind only Liverpool, who still have 100% record. But it's not all smooth sailing. Enzo Maresca faces an early striker crisis. Liam Delap has picked up an hamstring injury and will miss several weeks. João Pedro, initially thriving as a number 10, is now being pushed into a number 9 role. Mark Guehi was recalled from Sunderland after just 26 days, while academy star Tyron George saw his move to Fulham collapse on deadline day. For all the money spent and recouped, Chelsea's number 9 situation looks fragile, and it could be the defining storyline for their season. Big picture, Chelsea have balanced their books, set a Premier League record, and reshaped their squad. But the sales of Madueke, Felix, and Kunku, and Jackson raises a key question. Have Chelsea trimmed wisely, or have they left Maresca short in attack? One thing is clear, this is not just another chaotic Chelsea window. This is a statement summer, one that set the tone for Maresca's era. So Chelsea's break record against not for how much they spent, but how much they sold. 354 million out, 339 million in. But will that balance be enough to bring silverware back to Stamford Bridge? Or will the striker prices hold them back? Drop your thoughts in comments. Hit the like if you enjoyed this breakdown, and do not forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest football stories.